Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recover abandoned carts in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, first you all need to understand WooCommerce carts abandoned, okay? So abandoned carts happen when customer adds items to cart but leaves before checkout. Customer register but doesn't pay. Checkout process is too slow or payment fails. So WooCommerce does not track abandoned carts by default, so a plugin or custom solution is needed. So you will need at first to use a cart recovery plugin, and that's recommended. And to do that, you will need to go with left hand menu right here, scroll with your mouse and click on the plugins option. And then just go ahead and click on browse plugins. So the top plugins for 2026 are the WooCommerce Recover Abundant Carts, that's the official one, the Cart Flow Plus Automation, the Automate Woo, and MeterRec. So we'll go with WooCommerce Recover Abandoned carts with the official one. Okay, so that's one or that one, so you choose. Okay, so actually you will need just to select one and go ahead and click on download and activate the plugin, and then just configure the email reminder like 1 hour, 24 hours, every 48 hours, etc., and include cards, items, and subtotal and optional coupon code. And then just enable analytics to track recoveries and test a few abandoned carts manually. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.